All right, I'm done. I have the 6 iterations right here. I'm going to take the first iteration and drag it and drop it onto the Photoshop icon to open up that image in Photoshop. I'm going to zoom out to make the image really small. I'm going to make more space to make a canvas area to show all 6 images. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate, Command J, to duplicate the image because I'm going to take layer 1 and I'm going to fill it with white. Let's get the crop tool and let's crop up to the left a little bit and then crop down to the right, giving us enough room to have 1, 2, 3 iterations on the top and then 1, 2, 3 iterations on the second row. Press return. Let's fill layer 1 with white. Edit, fill, contents, white, click OK. Double click on the hand tool. That will make the canvas area fill the software. And I'm going to show you a trick. The lesson will continue in the next video.